First, I'm going to show you how to fill the bobbin. Pop the thread in the spool pin, then take the thread round the bobbin winder tension disc and wrap the thread around the bobbin. Wrap it round several times to make sure that the thread is secure. When you've done that, select the bobbin winder and loosen the hand wheel so the needle doesn't move. Press the foot pedal and the bobbin will start to fill. Stop when the bobbin is full. Hold on to the thread because it may fly off. And remember as well to tighten up the tension wheel afterwards. Next, I'm going to show you how to thread the machine. The top thread clips into the thread guide and down to the tension dial, round and back up and round the thread take up, and finally back down through the thread guides and then into the needle. When you've done this, it will look like a capital N. Take care that when you thread the needle, it goes straight through and doesn't twist at all. The threading of the needle is quite a hard bit to do. Modern machines have needle threaders, but old machines don't. So you can see here a close-up of the needle. Pop the thread through and pull it out the back. Now for the bobbin. Slide the bobbin housing open. Make sure your bobbin thread is hanging to the left and pop the bobbin in the case and clip the thread to the left. You'll see where it needs to go. Then, holding the top thread under tension, turn the hand wheel towards you until the needle goes down, grabbing the bobbin thread. When both threads are up, slide shut the cover to the bobbin housing. Now you're ready to sew. Take a piece of fabric and put the presser foot down, and then you can start to sew. When you've finished, lift the presser foot and pull. Make sure the needle is up so that you can get your thread out. If it's tight, then move the tension wheel slightly. And that's all done.